breezes of ocean, wind of the undulant billow afar. Low, low, endless emotion, fresh from horizon and distance of star. Slow, slow, fluttering so sweetly, singing a strain. Flow, flow, fleet as you go to snow or burning plain. Humming along with a burden of song, veering, careering, relieving woe of all who to sorrowful pain belong, bearing the burdens of earth below. Sweetly, airily, fleetly, warily, oh so dreamily, sunset beamily, let me creep, creep, gathering forces, storm of the sweep of the western main. Sweep, sweep, driving seahorses over the hollows, emerging again. Bellow the rocky shore, mountain and shingly sand. Roar, roar as when nature tore cliffs from the golden strand. Flying on high up to the sky with a shriek, tempest tossed, or howl of dismay to fade far away like a wail of the lost. Crashing and roaming, dashing and foaming, now the winds form the pounding, bounding strenuous song. There, wind of mid-ocean, cease thy merciless, angry bound. Spare, spare, tossing commotion, sink to the wavelet's gentle sound. There, every